all you need to know about AFA and different kinds of AFA. AFA is consulting the medium. The ability to consult the medium to extract information from what is happening in the other divide and to ascertain what is happening in the present and what future holds. So in a nutshell, AFA is spiritual lab. The ability to consult to know exactly what is happening there. And we have many kinds of AFA. Yes, and prophetic ministration. And afugiri enwere afọ enwere afa ndị mmiri enwere afa dị iche iche mgbe ọbụla mmadụ nwere ike ịtụ omimi na mmụọ to know exactly what is happening in your life. That is AFA.